In this video, we're highlighting two incredible mini PCs with built-in screens available on AliExpress. These devices stand out for their exceptional quality, and I've carefully selected them based on factors like popularity, performance, affordability, durability, and user feedback. For more details about these products, check the description below. And don't forget to hit subscribe to stay updated with our future reviews. Let's get started. Number 1. Higgle Eagle One Pro 5.5 inches Mini PC. The Higgle Eagle One Pro Mini PC is a revolutionary blend of portability and power, designed for modern multitasking and seamless connectivity. Featuring a compact 5.5-inch touchscreen, this device runs on Windows 11, providing a user-friendly interface for productivity and entertainment. Powered by an Intel J4125 processor, paired with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage, it ensures smooth performance for everyday computing tasks. This fanless mini PC supports 4K resolution, delivering stunning visuals for work or entertainment. Equipped with Wi-Fi 5, you can enjoy stable and fast internet connections, perfect for browsing, streaming, or video conferencing. Its 2500 mAh battery offers portability, allowing you to carry your computing power wherever you go. The Higgle Eagle One Pro is ideal for tech enthusiasts, digital nomads, and professionals seeking a compact yet efficient computing solution. Small in size but big on functionality, this mini PC is your gateway to versatile, powerful computing on the go. Number 2. Higgle Eagle 2 Pro 5.5 inches Mini PC. Experience the perfect blend of portability and power with the Higgle Eagle 2 Pro 5.5 inches Mini PC. This compact device has an Intel N5095 processor, making multitasking smooth and efficient. With an 8GB or 16GB RAM option and up to 256GB storage, it effortlessly handles your computing needs. The 5.5-inch touchscreen enhances productivity, offering a seamless tablet-like experience with the full functionality of Windows 11. Its 4K display support ensures crisp visuals, which are ideal for entertainment and professional tasks. Stay connected with Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.0, allowing faster data transfer and versatile device pairing. The 2500 mAh battery offers portability, making it a great companion for on-the-go professionals or students. Compact yet versatile, the Higgle Eagle 2 Pro is a mini desktop PC, tablet, and entertainment hub, perfect for modern lifestyles. Ideal for those who value efficiency without compromising style and functionality. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.